What's wrong with OBS? Sorry about that, guys. I keep on having problems with OBS. Well, I'm not sure what I'll do, but anyways, moving along. Hopefully, you guys captured what I just did. Basically, wrote this statement that now creates a sheet based on the temp range here. So it'll create a sheet for each of these. And within these sheets, I am going to filter this data and paste it in that sheet, okay? So hopefully my last video captured most of that. We'll continue here where we are, where we just finished adding the sheet. And now we're gonna filter the main sheet and so this needs to be my state. So filter that information, and then sort, and then auto filter sort, blah blah blah. I don't know if I need that, and then I need to paste. I need this statement here. Control copy. Paste my information here, which is going to be visible. I'll put, and this is going to be my new sheet now that I just created. So it's going to be, I'll just say sheets, and then I'll say state dot range A1. Okay, so let's save it to that point and let's run it and see what happens. And we don't need most of this. Okay. So if I hit, here's a moment of truth. Boom. Something went wrong. Auto filter range. My range needs to be redefined. I will need a new range, but here's what we're going to do. For now, we'll need to introduce a new range, but for now, we'll copy this statement here, or not. Let's introduce a new range. My main range. We won't introduce it now. I don't want to make it too complicated, but it already is. Control. We'll just copy this information here, paste it here, and paste it here. This is going to be a big long statement, but it's okay. We'll kind of work it through. I'll move it back just so you guys can see it if that's even possible. And here we want to change this back to main A1. What is it? Because it's my range A1, and then my last column will be C. A1, C, and we want to use A. That's for, and we want to type here main. And that's where we filter the information. Control copy. We want to use this one, not this. Okay, that will be better. Now we could run it. Release. Please save it and hit run. And we still have a little problem here. Main row 3, whatever's visible, sheet. So I was trying to paste here, and for some reason it's not finding this sheet called. That's right. Range A1, which should be fine. Main range A1, C, and main range A. Row dot special cells dot copy sheets state. We have it on the active sheet, right? We are in the signal if I say active sheet. Sorry, bear with me. Here we go. Will active sheet work? Sheets. If I go hit run, I believe that worked. I'm not sure why the sheet name did not work. Sheets. Oh, that's not sure why. Oh, I got it. Because this is an object. Sorry about that, folks. I want to be more specific. I'd like to be more specific. State dot value. Wow, this is why it's good to keep on writing code. Forgotten that point. All right, so there we go. It does write it. So my next state was, now it's up to New York. So if I look at my temp, so we should have New Jersey. And here's New Jersey, but New Jersey replaced Arkansas. I keep on getting the spelling wrong, the pronunciation. Why did it replace it? That's a good question. Let's take a look. Why did it replace it? So active sheet. I don't probably want to state this sheets because it's renaming the active sheet here. So it looks like it's renaming the sheet here. Because now my active sheet, let's call this my active sheet. Let's see what happens when I go